Hello guys, this is a short video on trading crash and boom using support and resistance level. Remember, if you watch the previous video, you will see that I spotted at the support and resistance level in order for you to catch spike. Based on the previous video, guys, this was the point. Oh guys, look at this wonderful spike. Look at this. Look at the wonderful spike. Man, this is good. I was about to enter do, but it's fine. Okay, guys, look at this wonderful spike we got right here. And what I'm telling you about catching spike, crash and boom, catching spikes using support and resistance level. I'm gonna do a video for this, teaching you how to catch spike using support and resistance level. Stay tuned for the video, but this will just be an intro to that. Okay, look, from the previous video, guys, from the previous video, you will see I spotted this as the support, as a resistance level, a support level, and a support level. And I said that markets are prone to make a pullback on a support or resistance zone, thereby giving you the spike that you desire. Okay, in the concept, in the act of the video, the previous video, guys, that I'm talking about, we'll call the spike at this point. Yeah, we'll call the spike at this point, exactly at this point. Yes, we'll call the spike at this point, because we looked at it as this is a support level that pushed the market back numerous times. You can see the market came down to this point. It pushed it back again continuously multiple times. Yeah, this is a support zone. It is a zone, guys. Okay, and this again is another. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, and this again is another resistance level which pushed the market down and then to and fro, just like that. Guys, again at the bottom we'll have a support level which the market came across, pushed the market back, it came, push it back, came, push it back, again push it back. So what I'm trying to let you understand is that if you are able to get this point as a support zone, it is very possible that you will get a spike when the market comes down. This is boom, guys. When the market comes down approaching the support zone, it is very possible that it will push back, thereby giving you a spike. Look at this point. This is a support zone. This is a support zone. The market pushed down, it spiked up. You can see it spiked up when the market was approaching the support zone, and again it spiked up again and again. At this point it was coming down. Look at the wick, it was coming down, it spiked up again, and again at this point it was coming down, it spiked up again. So this is zones. Look, another spike right now. So the target for this market, guys, it's at this point. So if I'm to place a trade right now, I'm gonna place this trade and take TP at around this level. This should be my take profit. The 139 will be my take profit, guys. So you can see this is a strategy that you need to get and start using to make money for yourself. Look at it, the same support and resistance zone pushing the market backwards. You can see. So if you add this to our crash and boom strategy, which you can check, watch this, how to use the strategy. The link is also at the description for this video. You will be able to use the strategy to trade perfectly for yourself, combining the support and resistance, which is price action, to the strategy, guy, more spike. I told you guys, look, I told you this was going to be the TP if I'm to place this trade. This is going to be the take profit level. You see, more spikes. Look at it, more spikes. This is combining price action and indicators, guys. The sky will be your beginning. I know what I'm saying because I've used it and I've made money from it. So you can also do the same. So make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. This is Forex Success. You don't know what we're trading crash and boom synthetic indices. You can only get that on the broker Deriv. The link is at the description and also at the comment section. Click on the link, open an account, fund an account, and start making money. Learn our strategy and make money for yourself. You need a trading robot. The link is also at the description below. It helps you trade, gives you 45% of your capital monthly. 45% of your capital monthly. It makes about 1 to 2% profit daily. This is awesome, guys. I've used it and I'm still using it, and it's making money for me. So jump in, guys. We have a Telegram group. Join our Telegram group. The link is at the description below. We have our Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Join us there. You can talk to me, ask me questions. The link is also at the description below. Thank you all, guys. This is Forex Success, and we truly love you all.